enti Avraham ben Moshe Twene Jonas any bronifita bi abegi komadwen akire Ajagurajah concern na Accra flooding no any submission bi Ajagurajah de ba o kire mu say Accra flooding no eya honhom bi no mu buafuo na just obegi kansem bebrebe eno ana omo abegi komadwen because ninsem kemka okobobo Otumfuo dini cheze okobobo Otumfuo din won ninsem kan mu ena Abraham ese on hwe baby okay kan ba no eho tropa how you Penyah block me the mess for say any day mu obe like video no that my brother subscribe button and by click notification call notifications update about the wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section oba so no share for any bia hwe no me kan phone nala money send app ena dey amount say wo USA wo UK that's all pay baby ana all pay kwan ba so asend this ka e dey akofie asumdwe mu enigye mu ene ahotomu abra unya funso bia wankasa won person this kind ebe mo obi wankasa person send free wa phone so Twene app no register account never send this car using promo code Penyah TV na obeche $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Exactly week today, Monday, ana Accra flood because in so started Sunday midnight and a toy be through Monday morning tea. Monday by today, next last week Monday today no. Next Accra de ehonyina aflood. Accra flood ma eho aye butu pa. As I speak to you now there, it will take time before people heal from this, trauma. Those who were affected heavily, in fact, it will take time before they will heal because the damage this flooding has caused, easy. So now I buy na some for education sem no sre na abasa. Ye do tun sre abasa ya twetwe. Na man for hwe ade a possible to me cause that flood no. In fact, enso de eto ebe cause wato a. But enye enso bia leto flood happen. This one na man for try so be hwe dey kwa the cause so dey see at the Accra to say and maybe because okay engineering problem. What I say goes you need proper drainage system. Ewo Accra no mountain so ana e be say a human behavior because gutters kwa e must see ana enso so mu na say beto ana amount for footballer egu gutter ni mo ye nim say gutter e must ye betim no ye ntim just ye nim say be enso efa no anwea ko fil ho no mo ye beti ho no mo no ye ntimu just a human behavior so no any negligence na say negligence e ka ho bi ana ma we nyina esie as na kana no obia ebetutu no ho mu Accra no ye betutu e hofo say nso to a ye mfa ball enko gutter mu biem ye be ensure proper sanitation ye be we the silting of gutters ye be we na ka manfo adwen asat e ko ho no out of nowhere Ajagurajah e baaye no better chance adnesi no so because e ye ho na mani a onu mo hwe na wo ka kire pen e spiritual ahonhom e won kan o mu buafu Ajagurajah ke kan nsem.
It has nothing to do with drainage.
There be enyanwa.
And I'm going to explain to you why flooding costs one crime. Casablanca Yankupon. Mansun see Obiako funny bosom, Obiako for baby feed baby back.
Okay.
I know man neglecting crime goes.
Wadama. Se mansun koswa Obiako.
Say a jack with our mansun.
Wadama.
Wako Benin, wako Tanzania, wako Mali, wako FIFA busum bebriaba. Because they have neglected the gods of the land. So the gods of the land ato yenche mu ba. Unstopuno.
There be
Dubai. Where advanced to Dubai? Doesn't it flood?
And so you
question. Are you more advanced than Dubai?
Technology.
American flooded.
Flooded.
What are you telling me?
Flooded.
Who do Japan form?
But there be.
Got them.
But there be.
Japan flooded.
Flooded.
Don't tell me that. Family be a government.
Or the question government. Or the question.
What technology change are you Dubai for? Australia flooded. Australia.
Flooded.
They have neglected the deity, Colin. Colin, are you almost on? And he said, you are Mahama. One take spiritual steps, sir. It is going to happen every year.
The top engineers from China. No,
top engineers from China draining Ghana and Nimara.
Ebe yiri wadama.
It's me Mahama. Me ko boka se drainage. Gather the gas. Let them do their
Madam, or some of tradition, sacrifice, and also me. Assuming I was almost swimming. A man, any a man, and I was on me a man, or so
Man so one crime.
Manson.
A funny affair.
Litigation.
Where do we go court?
No.
Where do we go court? Where do we? And to court also more train the physical. So Obia to the young Kodu. Obia the young Konam.
Obia.
Oh, young boy who has a court case.
No credit.
Yay.
Yay.
It will be a quantity in the spirit about one mobile.
Sanity.
And answer foreign spirit with my ear, Jumano. I was all this finca the home spirit. Bible says, "Oh, what if one team go be? What team go? What if 4 feet go for the Japan? I do watch children. Kind mammy.
Dama.
I see even the war over colleagues too. Me that's it. It will require mammy will call it. Now it's not a Sam mammy do call it. Sa. To question la bad. Question question. Question see on the daddy down. I don't know how many come time the name so in Fagana.
I didn't hear.
How many floods were recorded in Warren's era?
Otumfuo kura ya we Otumfuo dim say Ajagurajah of late okay canin sembia no the Otumfuo din ababata ho. Ajagurajah canin sembia no the Otumfuo din ababata ho. Accra na aflade enso na ato ahonhom sembe ni wom Otumfuo din ebe pedai ewo ho no mo na eno ana bonfita bi edi nka bege kanadwen e cha Ajagurajah da bi Ajagurajah eye no it doesn't make any sense.
My Ghanaians, do you now see the madness that I'm telling you about? Have you seen that disaster in Ghana? The floods, yes, the floods. But that is not the worst part. The worst part is that you have spiritual leaders like Ajagurajah that will come on television and say, oh, this is not an engineering problem. This is a spiritual problem. If you pray more, if you give me more money, I will fix your problem. My people, floods can be fixed. They can be fixed with engineering. But if you keep following that stupid mentality, you will only see stupidity. My people, open your eyes and open your mind and talk your mind. Charlie, no fear. Just talk your mind, Charlie.
I don't know, engineering problem. Engineering problem. Also, say home. But if you tell me that the Ajagurajah said, "Odumu nyansa, we can argue at the children." Now I know, and Avraham be Moshe, and Twene Jonas, so I be clash with Otumfuo Asantehene, Ajagurajah. Now we any same more, catch them.
Ajagurajah for me, he is saying that the flood happened in Ghana, something spiritual. Well, Jimmy to Sakwano, come they didn't know Jimmy. Only to me about to say, Ajagurajah, Ajagurajah, Jimmy, what it, now Ghana, your mom is kind of a coach, on provided that's been not to take a tell him to say, and who can kind of opposition so bad, obey and Uncle for Jimmy Noyano. Manuka energy, I say, my Jimmy be a spiritual, and I used to be anymore. When you come, the demon, can kind of Namsa, and Muzanku, and Ajagurajah won't feel. What I say, what I am can kind. When you Jimmy for an hour now, Momenti, so Ghana and him Yansa, Sikada Conquasia for Akoto Munku, and no more you are now Bibiano. Fire service, and now the Fakoja plot 2 years, brought on Cravel Becosro. Na kuku Accra kuku dan isi of tenant tina mo be dan iska ni me America me wo fie bebrebe tenant gum bo so me bia mu tua meka what ya mebo mani na misika e ready ameje so enti ade na bibini nko agimi why bebrebe anya sika adwuma sika nya den na so ama akromfo no mo na agidi ma because we agimi and tronko na mu tua yesu bia kan nche mo what ya say nsu e say to e natural e nature nto a enobaye ebe sei e kombesi nti nsu to a eye what ya say ba yempanimfo agimi nti na to a e kum Ghana fo
wo sheda wo kasa na wo di mpenyimfo abebata ho asantefo moma mu ani na ho o kwabenasia ma odi nkwase asem odi ama odi Otumfuo di abem odi ama odi Otumfuo di abem mebo na mu ho odi nkwase asem na wo di ni nkwase asem na wo boni patitiru bi din na wo akwahye ni patitiru na chi enti wo yesa wo be attack asem na wan hwa ebe affect ni patitiru no most at times odi Otumfuo ana shatawali ana ahemfo akese no na obobobubo mudin oshada because who could disprove na obe cassette ya sa ni petitiru no na ni petitiru ni followers bu abefu sa no hoy oya bad boy Ajagurajah is a bad boy metre mo ne
it has nothing to do with drainage
there be enye noa
and I'm good
onim se enkran ya wo chieftaincy dispute ewa Accra. Kwabensia ma shada de ne wa bewura chieftaincy dispute nim. Na kwa yese o kan de enti a Accra eyire no. O hene ba akoto nsa frɛ ne pɛ wedidi. Tia eni.
Explain to you.
Yes, you come out.
Why? Flooding cost one crime. Casablanca Yankupon.
Ayawa.
Bacho, also say no ye Casablanca Yankupon. Ajagurajah says here one free Portugal, says here one free Nigeria. Says here Ajagurajah a free Casablanca. Bacho, ubet me atro Casablanca was here. Why? First no, na ye Portugal. And be pay Nigeria. Udbeleni ushitoleno. Sesiano Casablanca. Okay.
Manso si obia go fa ne bosom, obia go fa baby fit baby pa.
Okay.
Ano man collecting cry go so.
Amajaom. Wadama.
Ti Accra na eyiri no. Eye enkran. Abosom no eno mo bu ofu. Mi bisa mo enkran fo omo neglect omo abosom no. Ana afashe eni amamre a omo ye dada no omo gusu ye enkranfo mo ntro enkranfo mo amamre a mo ye ne tetete no mo jai ana mo gusu ye me ka sei nungwafo ye amamre nungwa omo ye amamre kwabra si ama oboa kwabra oboa opo mo a omo kro mo amamrem a wo mo ntoto ase omo ntoto amamre na se a ye enkranfo. I have lived with the Ghana people all my life. Matna Teshin, Matna Nungwa, Matna Temaniu town. Me say, O Pomwa, O Monfa, open entry 32. When Nim say Juventus for stadium. What it? Dear Creswado, the year one, would you own two hofo? Tell what it? Say, what the limber would entry? Chicken wings, pete more powenya. Pete ne more we unya ze me ofane mancha mani nyanyo gan ofane oblanu ne enta on play smart enta oni eke edwemo ababiti yen ofane mokubokuboku akachele nya wulomo ye jeme kenya enta ho ni nya bi nyanya bi nokwe nyaya wulo mo eje mena ekwahia eluwa elu fe kwabra me kra kwa Kanyele, Encraft, Gaman Chem, Omba be program. Omu command invite, and nobody be any. Me omo invite me. Me, Baba was a charge about to about it. Daddy, wait on what me bookie appointment. No, I could yes, Kedikake, no, we capture. Wait, Quabenesiam. O bookie appointment, none in a Messica for so, no, trap picture, no, the abeto. None the more you do. Why gain is a wabe? Anyone want more be a yes go. Anyone want my desk might I you. May catch that will be you. So I gain is a on the desk might take your picture and see one and one my desk might a brown one brave will hear. Sha Emale, Naka for now. Yanko.
Mama. Se manso koswa obia.
Say I check with manso.
Wadama.
Wako Benin. Wako.
Why you so smart? When we say enkranfo ni mu no, entichemu kakra wo na ekonwa ho ntokwa. Enti obefa ho e dia beka se eye ekonwa ho manso no. E na obi akọ Benin, e na obi akọ hemfa, e na mo akọje bosom aba, e na enkranfo bosom no omubu ofu oboa. Obi ankoje hwe. Chieftaincy dispute ewo bebia chieftaincy dispute etumisi bebia eye entiase a eni ho anase eni brebia eye na efri certain family ene de sa de ne ba chieftaincy dispute ewo hot free tete kwabenet yama fa won kwase asam fri hoko
wako Tanzania, wako Mali, wako fifa busu bebriaba. Because they have neglected the gods of the land. So the gods of the land ato yenche mu ba. Stop no.
There be inti me ba kwabne siama. Enti na se abosom ni buofu. Ne nsu yiri beba. Ensu yiri na ma rainy season. Rainy season sunsu oto. Kwabna rainy season ensu oto. Kwabna we Jimmy tiefie nyansa. Abna we Jimmy on. Where Jimmy Rough Abrofono omo ye ka kwan no mo koto river omo amamre omo ye but broni besides amamre no obeye the right thing because any pa be wu a spirit be ani ho Gabiosis, thank you. Spirit be ani ho be save nipa when there is a disaster.
Flood nkofo flood won fear flood. So nkofo fear flood. Awo Ajagurajah be a spiritual problem battle. Flood or a spiritual asama. Contractors in the road na down why you contractors in the bridges was this in bridges can come to down so the Google or friend and bridge him nsu a fee what the Google bridge him or cause some problem no was this baby I don't know was it baby was this then sounds was this what I buy back on flood so spiritually our Ajagurajah Jimmy watching your dream. Don't cost some now Ghana for it Dutch and what I also saw don't know. In so far for flood aba as spiritual battle. Echimiana abam bele samsuni. Awa da ya di bia o serious bia pede di agoro no. Abam bo sam na ye di no. Ivory Coast Togo Nigeria na ya nso afa onya spiritual battle. Why the Ghana ya serious no. Obia was a celebrity. Nkofo na nyu abrin nkofo wu nso afa nkofo be find solution e be ba chewa adwen. E be ba kebe egum na mpemfunu wa hwe solutions no. Bebe wonsisi ndana ebu na osisi nsuko no wo be hwe bubu dam ndana ekona ba de contractors waje bridge and kasa odi wo boyim na waje bridge wosi bridge na ketekete na wo be hwe waka wasam no e wona be kede nsu na wato no spiritual abade abem belesam suni why da wan ye serious in life chimidam no why da chimidam why want to kan korom fancho no abem kwesesam suni Ghana is high time of dam belesam na kweseke kan wonje yo nkofo ewu nsu ato nsu afan nkofo afie nkofo nyama asai bibe wo be didi wa asai nkofo mbewu enu brava no at the sound bada nsu ato spiritual battle bele awu na wo so fu chimi prophecy say ogo na wo chimi no why you prophecy nsu ba on fan nkofo Ghanaians na bebre wo na nwompo we chimi fo didi dem nkofo na echiri why serious na wole hwehwe ade na wo hwe solution na wo so hwe nkosese ma de ba masa yempem nkosese mo Ghana ho yempem nkosese mo no interior minister kejina parliament abakede flood no American po San Francisco we impo hon to flood masa an advance yebi na wo hu de why solution why no na why ye no so to why ma no why find another solution to it 1 year solution bia but one side of way bia na wo solve any flood issues bia Ghana da nti awu mutaka mubarak bin interior minister ban kede masam ni bio an kasa ye yalla kasa de Ghana samba compare America aba from Samsuni and the Ghana samba compare America no wonder why yalla no work abrechi hospital and bodan for medical care bodan for bibian koye ko futum weni how one I want take you for account and one who shit and almost so no the citizens legim your taxes we are not benefiting a brand Ghanaian celebrate adibi about to bia o dey son man twon ko olu we Ajagurajah be jira ke kam posam bele kwasiya
obet ma tere wa adwen e de amame e wo comment section I Penyah Media Accra.